Hello kids, beautiful shapes and 2D shapes and color. First color, pink color, yellow color, blue color, orange color, light pink color, brown color, light green color, sky blue color and red color. Kids, shapes drawing. Green color, cube, heart, square, six-point star, cloud, circle. Kids, color wheel, cube, light pink color, heart, blue color, light green color, square, brown color. Kids, six-point star, red color, cloud, black color. Kids, circle, shapes name repeat: cube, heart, square, six-point star, cloud, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.